Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Lotus of Boston, we have the 2021 Lotus Evora GT. Now this is the same one I reviewed, but last time I reviewed it, it was still wrapped in all its transport, shipping, packaging, and all that on the inside. So I wanted to take a different look at it now with it completely unwrapped on the interior. And plus it gave me an excuse to drive it again. So, here are your seats. Making getting in and out easier, I always tend to throw the seat all the way back and then push the seat up to my liking. There we go. Now, Evora GT has an immobilizer. Want to lock the car, unlock it, foot on clutch. And what a sound. Six-speed manual. Made it to a 420 horsepower, I think it's 416 horsepower supercharged Camry motor, which is absolutely insane. All right, the wind, oops, there we go. He was checking out the car before I was filming. I can say off the bat, after driving a 2011 Evora, driving one that's 10 years newer, it's the same, but better. 2011 Evora was NA, no supercharger. No supercharger on that one. Producing probably around 300 horsepower, I think is what it was. This one's supercharged, has all the latest goodies, and is just a proper weapon. One thing I noticed after driving it again, and what was actually causing me a little bit of difficulty on rev matches, is it has essentially flat foot shifting. I don't really want to demonstrate it because when I tried it, it didn't really work, and I don't want to smoke clutch. So, alright, there it worked. So I actually had my foot on the throttle. As long as you push the clutch in quickly, it won't add gas for another second or two to allow you to just bang gears, which is pretty ingenious. I want you to look in that mirror. You can see the cable for the supercharger, or the valve for the supercharger wastegate opening and closing. It's awesome. Oh my good God. This car is something tremendously special. Stickered here right about 105,000, give or take. This is Aston Martin Lotus of Boston's demonstrator. But honestly, it's just, I'm so sad that they're gonna be discontinuing the Lotus Evora. I hope they continue to make it for years. But it's amazing to go from the 2011 into this, see how much they've refined the car and just made it made it a proper weapon. Now, compared to the 2011 Evora, oh God, it's a little bit rougher, but worth it. Still, ton of fun. I would trade a liver for this car. What on all things? I want one of these. Heel toe ref matches are so easy. So easy. Just, what a car, guys. What a car. Now that there's no zip tie on the steering wheel, now that the seats are actual seats and not covered in plastic, it just has allowed me to really experience this car for what it is. And that is a proper weapon. A proper weapon on the street. Please don't tell me it's actually 3. Oh my gosh, it's actually 3 o'clock. Oh boy, I've been here since 9 a.m. They must hate me. Oh my God. Heaven almighty. Oh. Things I would do to buy one of these cars. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one.